Thank you for taking my question. This is Simon Ateba from Today News Africa in Washington, D.C. I would like you to react to the statement at the weekend by the Biden administration over expressing concern over the first report that the WHO issued on the origin of the COVID-19 in China. Thank you.
Thank you, Simon. I think. Yeah,
Thank you. Sorry, we were deciding who would start. Apologies. So yes, the mission team from China has not actually issued their report yet. So they have recently returned from China, arriving in their home countries, and they are working on 2 reports. The first of which is a summary report, which is shorter, just highlighting the work that had been done and some initial findings and recommendations, and that will be followed by a longer report. So the initial report, the summary report, has not actually been issued yet. They've only done a press conference in Wuhan, and they've answered some media questions. But the idea would be that they would issue the summary report and then have a full press briefing themselves.
And maybe I can also add that obviously there may be some misunderstandings here around the origins and the purpose of this mission. And I think this mission was envisaged as a collaborative effort under the World Health Assembly resolution, where obviously working with China, sovereign state and member state of WHO, to better understand the origins of the virus so as to learn lessons for the future. It was not as such an investigation of supposed wrongdoing or referring to any non-existent investigatory powers that WHO might have. WHO does not possess the mandate to enter uninvited to any nation state and must show due diplomatic respect to the process of engaging with governments, but also the scientific process of working together with our Chinese counterparts, with an international team, to understand and make progress in the understanding of the origins of this disease. So as such, this was and remains a collaborative process of discovery between scientists. Clearly, there is a political layer on this that has been difficult for all parties to manage, and it would be useful at this point if we could step back from that and really focus on what progress has been made scientifically in the understanding, and to clearly identify where further progress will need to be made in the future in terms of future studies. So I think it is time that we look to the science now and look at that and then do our best collectively to work with all interested parties to identify further studies that will be needed to fundamentally and finally understand the animal origins of this virus.